isn't this a special day today? I just want to thank you all so much for joining me today. It's Gillykube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland. And today is a day that's been trying to be organised for quite a long time now. Today is the day that I'm doing a collaboration with Kathleen Ozmore, the lovely Kathleen Ozmore of Cos Creations in the US, and of course I'm across the pond in Australia. So we've got together and we're going to do a little collaboration, and the brief was, I think Kathleen said maybe a 10 by 20 inch canvas. Is that correct? Or anyway, I'm not sure, we're in centimetres here. So I have got a 60 centimetre and it's by 30 centimetre canvas. I have taped my bottom and put my push pins in, and I took my bra off and it's a no bra zone. So just a fun little get together with Kathleen. So Kathleen's choice of colours were copper, teal / turquoise, gold, pearl, plus any other colour of choice. My brief to Kathleen was, it has to be a little bit of you and a little bit of me. So it's got to hopefully try and meld the two styles, which as you all know are completely different, but let's see if we can meld them. And my brief was also that it's got to have something botanical flora in there, but it doesn't have to be created with a balloon. So without further ado, let's get this show on the road. So, oh yes, pearl. I didn't actually have any pearl paint, so what I had to do was white, and I did a good dash of the dragonfly glaze to give it a pearly look. So I didn't have any pearl. Got some coming hopefully. So okie doke, let's get on with the business. my final piece. I am being very restrained with this by putting only a few jilly bits in it. I have used the little teeny tiny balloon that I filled with water, dipped it, but I actually don't want to do any more to it. I want to keep it very, very supple. So these just very, very supple. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I'm going to leave it to dry, and if it needs any touch-ups, I will do so. But thank you, Kathleen, for coming on this collaboration journey with me, and yeah, I hope you all enjoy it. I'll put Kathleen's link in the description box below. I'll also put it in the first comment to her piece on this, because we haven't seen each other's pieces as yet. So, and they'll both be launched the same time. So, yeah, hope you all liked it. And until next time, wait on for the dried photos, because there will be dried photos on the end. So thanks so much for joining me. Thank you, Kathleen. I can put my bra on now. Oh no, I think I'll keep it off. Bye for now, until tomorrow.